Hello and welcome to a Ping Kaching training video. I was getting ready to release the latest version of our software, and I was doing some testing and I encountered two errors while doing RSS submission. And I thought this would be a great chance to teach you guys how to troubleshoot submission failures. Now, a lot of you might not know this, but these submission status messages are actually clickable links. So you can see here blogdigger.com had a successful submission, and if I actually click that, it will take me to a URL where it confirms, thanks, we've added your URL to our database. So basically the software, the software isn't lying to you. It allows you full control to really just click a simple button and actually see and verify that the link was submitted. Usually I never even check those, but what is important is when you see these failures. Now we're working on making these failure messages more descriptive, but as you can imagine, we submit to so many different sites, and each site has their own criteria of why a submission can fail. So it's a very large process. So right now you'll see a lot of just submit failure, and that doesn't give you a whole lot of information. So let's show you guys how to troubleshoot these errors, which will maybe help you get better successes in the future, as well as allow you to communicate with a customer service better on troubleshooting and getting them fixed for you. So let's go here to feedage.com. We had our first submit failure, and if you see I click that, it takes me to this page, and it doesn't give me much information, so I'm going to keep scrolling down. It's just I'm scanning for any kind of information. Now, this URL is not the real URL. If you notice up here, it's an app Ping Kaching URL, which means this is isn't displaying the page like it normally is being displayed. It's a log file saved on our server, and we save these just for testing purposes only. So that's why this page looks a little goofy. So we'll scroll down, and we're just looking for something that might give us a clue why it failed. And aha, when we scroll to the bottom, you can see here something that stands out. So Ping Kaching did enter in the correct URL, and it tried to submit it, but it gave us this error message, you need to confirm your account. So with this site here, I actually haven't confirmed my account when I created it in my email inbox. So this would be a good chance for me to open up a new browser, visit the site directly, and go ahead and fix that mistake. That's completely human error, my fault. Now let's go to the next one, Golden Feed here, and find out why this one failed. So this page is being displayed a little bit nicer in the Ping Kaching log, and you can see a little red arrow here sticks out, and it says please enter a valid blog or RSS feed URL. So the RSS URL is trying to submit to them is not a valid RSS URL type that they support. So again, this is my fault, not Ping Kaching's. So you can see in these cases, by clicking these buttons, it allows me to troubleshoot, so I know what to do to increase my success messages in the future. And this will work with social bookmarking, RSS, directory submission, anything that Ping Kaching submission types do. These success messages or failure messages will be clickable. Now, if you are having trouble diagnosing what the problem is, because sometimes they won't always be clear, like a page like this, what you can do is visit the page and then be sure to copy this URL and then paste it into an email address to our support team or our live chat. It's probably best to email these type of requests because a customer service agent is going to have to forward that to a coder to really diagnose the problem. And it's good to do this right away because these log files would just completely fill up our servers and we'd run out of room if we stored them forever. So we only store these logs for about 1 week. So it's important to get that off to a support agent right away so we can actually get a look at that log of why your submission failed before it disappears. So this was just a quick training video for you guys so you guys can increase your success messages. You can see here Ping Kaching was very successful for all my RSS distribution. It only failed on 2 sites, which was not the software's fault, but my fault for not confirming my account and entering a wrong RSS URL. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some insight on how to troubleshoot submissions.